2007 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, running boards, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, third-row seat, power passenger seat, traction control, CD changer, XM satellite radio, navigation system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.